Hey everybody, so we are out here again at Saguaro Lake. We are doing some trolling today. So we're going to go ahead and put some small little spoons. They're about an eighth of an inch, or eighth of an ounce I should say, spoons that we're going to go ahead and throw in the water, do some trolling behind the boat. But as you can see, Saguaro, it's a beautiful day. The temperature today is supposed to get about 103. That's about 3 o'clock today. We're going to hopefully get off the lake before that happens. So it's probably going to be about 90 degrees throughout the day that we're going to be messing with. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and do some trolling and let's do some fishing. Let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, and leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
The dawn of the dinosaurs.
No, since I lived in California.
So there's more. There's another one.
They're in the boat.
Yep, grab the bugs. Bugs are out the shade.
Scanner.
Where's it?
Yes. Fish on.
You knocked me over. Not enough room for two of us to stand in the same spot. Knock me on my boat. Told you, it's right coming out of there is where you have a muscle.
This is a good size one, boys.
What about the girls? Girls.
And girls?
Only girls here. You're the only boy. Jeez.
Another striper.
Do they have a size limit here?
Not for these. Not for y'all.
So just put this back over here on the other side? That is a good one.
That's big.
That's not big. You should take that home. Or do you not like to eat that? Do you like to eat that?
I haven't had it before. Oh, that's a crappie. No, that's a white bass. Use that for bait.
I was going to say, you need to use that for bait.
Yeah. Hey everybody, as you can see, today turned out pretty good. We ended up getting a few striper on the lures today. Small ones, I'm going to actually throw those in the freezer and use those for catfish bait. I'm going to plan on coming out here again in the evenings. During the day, trying to do some catfish fishing is just, it doesn't work. The fish aren't as active. They're probably a little bit lower than where I can find them, but nonetheless we had a fun day. We ended up beaching it a little while, took a little bit of time off and jumped in the water, caught some more bluegill. Always have fun catching those little bluegill, whatever they are, on my ultralight system. But nonetheless, we had a lot of fun today. That's pretty much it. Want to thank you guys again for coming on board and watching my video. You guys have a great day. Hey, again, if you have any comments, please remember to thumbs this up as well as subscribe. But remember, any comments or any questions or anything you guys want to see, make sure you comment down below. Thanks for watching. Needless to say, keep fishing. Hey everybody, so it's the next morning. So today what we're going to do is we're going to actually go ahead and focus on cooking the fish. I went ahead and cleaned up the fish and I filleted it, got in a couple beautiful nice little fillets here. We're going to add some seasonings to it. Well, let's get started. Alright, so what we have in here is we have the flour, some cornmeal, some Old Bay, and some dill. gonna go ahead and stir that up. Let's add a little bit more cornmeal. We're gonna take the fillets, we're gonna batter those in there, get the seasonings all enriched together. It's a dry rub. I don't care for the wet rubs that much. I sort of enjoy the dry rubs. So, all right, so we got a couple fillets. Let's put them on the fryer. All right, we got our pan up to medium-high heat. I'm gonna add some oil to it. This is just vegetable oil. We're gonna take our battered fish here and just lay that in there. Again, these won't cook too long. It won't take a long time for these to cook. Probably about 5 minutes total. Now you could always add a little bit more pepper if you want, a little bit of salt. I'm a salt guy. I probably shouldn't eat as much salt as I do, but I do. And then we got this cooking, so give it a few more minutes and then we'll flip it around. Alright everybody, as you see the corners are getting crisp, so this is pretty much a good time to flip them over. Oh, perfect. Nice brown and crisp on that side. Flip it over on this side. Cook for about 4 minutes, and now we're going to go ahead and cook it again for just a few more minutes. Alright everybody, those look good. Let's get them on the plate. Yellow bass and eggs, everybody. Made myself some eggs, got some also home fries or hash browns here. But let's see what this fish tastes like. Flaky, juicy on the inside. Let's give it a try. Fish is flaky. Fish has a beautiful texture to it. Wow guys, it is a really good fish. I'm enjoying it so much going out to Sorro and being able to educate myself more and more every time I go out to the lakes. There's so much for me to learn, and needless to say, this fish is definitely well worth it. Excellent reward for going out there and doing some fishing. Well, thanks for watching everybody. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below. If you get a chance to get out there and do some fishing. Thanks for watching. Needless to say, keep cooking, keep fishing, keep enjoying life.